is a special video for the students of Digital Creativity. I am Jesus Castillo from Sector del Campo, and today I want to show you how to use BITEABLE. BITEABLE is an online software that you can use to create presentations with a high level of animation. To use BITEABLE, search for www.biteable.com and create your own account. First of all, I want to show you what kind of animations we can do. For example, this is our animation for digital creativity. Did you like it? If you want to create something like that, follow these steps. Click on Create a new video. At the top, you can find two buttons. The first button helps us to identify what is the purpose of our presentation. And the second one is used to specify what is the concept wants to be developed. For example, I want to explain how to do something. Don't forget to find a template. You will see 5 possibilities, but I have chosen this one. Click on Edit Video to personalize your presentation. At the top, you can find the title. At the bottom, we have the timeline with all of the scenes. In the left panel, you can edit the content, type in your own text or whatever you need. And if you need, you can change the font too. You can custom your creation by changing the colors and the music. Go to the next scenes and complete your presentation until the end. When you are done, click on Save and Preview. Wait for a minute, and this will be your final result. I hope you like it. I see you in the next video.